Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the qualitative analysis, that is the salt analysis. As we all know that a salt is made up of two radicals, the basic radicals which is a cation and acidic radical which is an anion. Here we are performing experiment number 1 in which the basic radical is ammonium which belongs to zero group and acidic radical is carbonate which belongs to dilute group of acids. We start with the test of basic radicals. First of all, we have to take a test tube and then take a little of salt, that is ammonium carbonate. Now add the group reagent of zero group, that is sodium hydroxide, into the salt and warm it. The smell of ammonia comes. Then we take a glass rod which has to be dipped in dilute hydrochloric acid solution and we have to bring this glass rod on the mouth of the test tube. White dense fumes appears which confirms the presence of ammonium radical in our salt. Now we have completed our basic radical and we have found out ammonium as a basic radical which belongs to zero group. The group reagent of zero group is sodium hydroxide solution and the group radical is ammonium whose formula is NH4 1 positive charge. Now we will perform the test for acidic radical. First of all, we take a test tube, a dry test tube, add a little of the salt into it. Then we add the group reagent for dilute group, that is dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid. When we add dilute hydrochloric acid to the salt, then effervescence appears. This shows the presence of dilute group in it. Now there is a possibility of two radicals of this group. One is acetate, other one is carbonate. So we will perform the test for carbonate first of all. For this, we have to take one more test tube in which we take a little of lime water. When we heat the previous test tube, which was containing the salt and dilute hydrochloric acid, then a gas evolved. We have to pass this gas into lime water. Lime water turns milky due to the presence of carbon dioxide gas into it. This confirms the presence of carbonate as an acid radical in the salt. In this way, our first experiment has been completed. In this experiment, in the given salt, the basic radical was ammonium which belongs to zero group and the acidic radical was carbonate which belongs to dilute group of acid radicals. Thank you.